Hi everyone, I've been wanting to reorganize my desk setup for some time and I thought I'd show you the process also. My desk was quite messy, so I began by tidying it. I'm moving my desk a little bit. Since I have a triangular shaped window on top of my desk, the whole setup looked too symmetrical and I wanna break the symmetry right now. I also move my drawers near my desk. I had LED lights hanging from the walls, but I'm afraid they don't work no longer. They give little to no light. I think my corkboard would look good on my drawer. Also, this way there will be more open space on my desk. I take off some of the pictures that I don't want on my corkboard anymore. I see myself getting more and more minimalist by time, even though I don't want to limit myself by trying to be a complete minimalist. For example, I used to hang so many prints. My walls were filled with photographs and posters. But now I like to make my decoration with furniture mostly and hang just a few pictures. I pin my new prints and I guess I'll pin this again. It's a little bill for a book that I got from library to make me remember turning it back. I removed this calendar. Although I think it's so cute, I forget keeping up with it. I change my block pads placements and I organize my books. I put some of them to my bookshelf and pick other books. I try various placements, and putting them on top of another on the left corner of my desk works the best. I need to tidy up my pencil box. I throw some of my old pencils away. set of colored gel pens. I put my pencil box inside the drawer. But first I need to clean and organize it. I put my notebooks and a hand cream. In this drawer I have acrylic and oil painting supplies. I kind of like how they are disorganized, so I guess I'm gonna keep it the same, but I need to clean the drawer. Other notebooks, sketchbooks, and art supplies. I replaced them in order of size. These are some of my old canvas paintings and new canvases. I have a little break. I take all my curtains off and wash them. used to have another IV2 in my room, but it died. I decided to give myself a second chance. I hope it grows soon because I want to entwine it around my desk. I'll put my new headphones that I bought just today. And this vintage clock that I got as a gift. This is the final look. I like how it turned out so cozy. I changed my iPad's wallpaper and began studying.